Okay, well, we missed the syncing part, but the syncing it says it down at the bottom, how many weeks you are behind. I was only a few minutes behind, probably. Every 10 minutes, a new block gets added to the Bitcoin blockchain. So here is Bitcoin Core. Let's see, that's the wallet. Here's the overview telling me I've got 0.005 Bitcoin, okay? And this is a record of recent transactions. I sent some and received some to kind of practice up for this. So here's what we need to do. If we want to receive something here, we don't want to send anything right now. We want to receive. So when we say receive, this window kind of pops up, and what it's looking for is use this form to request payments. All fees are optional. Okay, I'm going to request a payment. And that's the public address. That's the QR code. Okay, I don't need to worry too much about, whoops, I want to copy, I will copy the address. The address is down here. There's copy URL, which is that thing, and then the address is this 1G. Okay, that thing right there. That's the public address. That's where I want to send the Bitcoin to the Bitcoin Core wallet. So I'm just going to copy the address. Okay, it copies it, and it's just in the memory right now. It's on the clipboard. Okay, so I'm going to close it, and I come back here, and I say, well, all right, I want to send, or I want to receive. Okay, so I just want to receive. Okay, so I got that. Okay, so we can close that right now. And let's go back to Coinbase. And we're at my account. I have 5 Bitcoins there. Okay, and I want to send. Okay, now it says enter a Bitcoin address. Well, I hit Control V because that's paste. Control V. Whoops. There it is. Okay, so that's the, and it got a little green thing, so that's a good address. So I'm going to send some BTC, but I haven't said how much. How many Bitcoins? I have 5, but I'm only going to send 0.005. I'll just double that. Okay, it's about 50. Well, wait. About $52, okay? I can write an optional message, and the message is for video. I should say the date. This is 2018-02-28. And this is just for the video, okay? So I'm going to send $52, 0.005 Bitcoins, and I'm going to continue. Okay, and we're going to send it to here, to this 1G, which is the address that I got from Bitcoin Core. I just copied it. The amount is 0.005 Bitcoin. The Coinbase fee is 0. That's good. The miner's fee is 0.0000325. That's about 34 cents to send $50. So total will be 0.005032252 Bitcoins. Okay, $52 about. And when I confirm, it's gonna do it. Now I can cancel at any time here, but I could go back, for example, or close this, but I'm gonna confirm it. I'm gonna send 0.005 Bitcoins to that Bitcoin Core wallet. That address. This address. Okay, confirm. Your transaction is on the way. Okay, I'll just say view the details. And that's what it sent. It's pending. Okay. 0.05, $52. Added that little fee. It's not much of a fee now. A couple weeks ago, it had a huge fee. It was based on the price of Bitcoin, not the amount. Okay, so it's pending, and We don't need that anymore, okay? Now, so we come back over here to that Coinbase. This is the accounts tab, and it's taken off a little bit. There's the transaction. Oops, I guess it hasn't recorded that yet. I'll refresh the page here. And I sent the Bitcoin. Where's the mouse? Okay, there's, yeah, I sent the Bitcoin, 0.00503,252 Bitcoin. That's what they're taking out of my account. See, they took that out. Okay, so now let's go back to Bitcoin Core, the wallet, and we look at the overview. And this is from yesterday. Pretty soon there'll be something in here about receiving that 0.005. I have available, but it should just about double it, make 0.01 Bitcoin when it gets it. It just hasn't got it yet. It's because I just sent it. It takes about 10 minutes, I think, or an hour before it'll be totally confirmed. Okay, so we'll hold off until we get this, and then I'll send it back from Bitcoin Core back to Coinbase. Okay, I'm going to minimize this, and I'll stop the video here.